If you want to use circle to search on Google Pixel 10, all you have to do is press and hold your finger either on the navigation bar that we have at the bottom of the screen if you use the gesture for navigation. So hold for like a second or two in order to activate this overlay. And if you use 3 buttons for navigation, then just press and hold your finger on the home button. And after that, you can either draw a shape around the person or an object that you're looking for, that you wish to search for. So for example, something like this. As you can see, we have the selected area, or you can simply tap on the selected area just to try to get immediately results. So let me demonstrate again. Instead of drawing something, you can just tap, for example, on a person in order to try to get more information and get Google search results. Of course, you can adjust the selected area in case it is incorrect. And that's about it. So as you can see over here, we have our Google results. We can switch to products, visual matches, and we can try to get more information about this image. Simple as that. Besides that, there are other features that are provided with this circle to search feature. So, for example, you can simply use the Google search bar at the bottom. So instead of selecting something, you can tap over here and then right. Over here, we can also see that we can search using our whole screen. So instead of, for example, like drawing something, we can just take the whole screen into the consideration. You can also use the microphone over here in order to say something out loud so that you can search with your voice. There's also the music recognition feature. So if you have a song that is playing in the background, then you can probably get Google search results with the title of this song. And there is also screen translation. So over here, the last option is translation, which takes your screen as it is right now, detects the language and translates into the selected language. Of course, we can change the language. So let's say I'm gonna choose Cantonese, for example. And as you can see, the screen is translated. And if I close this overlay, it goes back into its original language. If the circle to search feature doesn't work for you, for some reason, it might be simply disabled. So you can go to settings, over here, open a display and touch, then go to navigation mode. And over here we have circle to search, which can be easily toggled. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.